Again, welcome back. I'm back again. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, Naked Mixology, and my Facebook page. We just came from the church actually for Simbang Gabi tonight. So now we pass by in this place every year. We have these nice lights, Christmas lights, all the time. My wife is there.
Hi.
Yeah.
We've been from Simbang Gabi.
Police.
Oh,
See, look at that.
that.
Look at that.
Oh.
That is the what is that? The
We're going inside.
fire truck. So now let's go in.
Yeah. Let's go inside. It must
Go
be
ahead.
nice. Yes, I will.
This is beside the super highway actually. See. So you have to be careful down here. Look at that. So nice. Opposite to the ocean. What is it? The condos.
Wow.
Ocean Drive. I don't know.
That's so
See,
nice.
look at all the lights.
Hey,
So awesome.
We're here.
Look at that. I feel like a kid again. And the moon, look at the moon. Oh my goodness.
Where's the moon?
Yeah?
Dale.
That's awesome.
So nice
See?
inside.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Cayman.
It's so nice, huh? My goodness. My goodness. It's awesome.
Cute kayo
Right?
lang.
This is the main entrance down here. Oh my goodness.
Crichton's Christmas Wonderland. Okay. Good night. Ooh,
See?
so nice.
The moon also is down there.
Angel voices.
Look at that. So nice. Let's go on this side.
Oh, not celebrate Jesus.
There you go.
Here.
Yeah.
Asa? Merry Christmas, Cayman! I'm here. Celebrate Jesus. Jesus is the reason.
So nice. So awesome. See? Merry Christmas. See? Hello.
Hi. Hello, Cayman. Merry Christmas, Cayman. Hi, Teo. Hello, Philippines. Merry Christmas, Philippines.
It's so nice.
So nice here.
Okay.
1 hectare siguro ni. Dad, nice kilang blended. Picture ko silang blended.
Oh.
Nice ko also.
Taking pictures.
Kuan.
Kera?
Git kayo. Talaga mo ha, machada. Hi. So nice here.
When he was born so long.
Nice kayo dad. Enjoy Christmas. It's his birthday. Enjoy life. It's this way.
Christmas Day. He left the gate and
Big Santa.
fades away. And it's Christmas every day.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Look at that. See, it's so nice down here. It's like if you're kids, oh my god, you're gonna be amazed with all these all the lights that you can see, and you got a those are trees actually, that one, and there's the moon, and this is the other side.
I will go here.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! Yeah, it's Christmas here in Cayman.
See the fireworks? Yeah, the fireworks now.
Hi.
All has a mechanism. Yeah, look at that. So nice.
Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys.
So nice. So amazing.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
See, look at that. Has a mechanism. There's a fountain also down here.
Yeah. Oh, may water. May water dad. Swimming pool ni.
Kuna fountain? Yeah.
Fountain. Oh,
No, there is. No, konda.
well. Oh, what's this? Ito wala?
Hindi, kanang train. Katiyo ba?
Oh, Tayo, this is
Tiyo,
Tayo.
this is for you. See, look at the train over here.
Look
See?
at the baby.
See, Tio?
Oh, baby. There's a
Look at the train. Look at the train, Theo. My goodness, it's traveling. The train is coming here.
The Santa Claus is singing. Hey, Mr. Santa, Merry Christmas. So nice. Oh. Hi.
See, all has a
Merry
mechanism.
Christmas.
You know,
Hello.
every December, this family is like spend lots of money for Christmas lights and decoration and everything.
How
Every
generous
December.
the family is.
So every year has this display.
North Pole Santa Workshop. Oh, let it snow,
See, we are in
let
the
it
North Pole right now.
Wow.
Vendors crossing and let it snow.
Oh, big
See,
Santa is
big
there.
Santa is there too at the back.
Wow, so big.
It's so nice and so amazing.
I have battery. I'm low bat.
And all has a mechanism though. So
And now?
you can just imagine how much the preparation he does this. See the rooster?
Bantam. Mga bantam.
You got the rooster also.
Conch shells.
There's the Cayman Christmas over here. See all that under the lights is a conch shell. Anyway,
Shells.
there's a conch shell.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, so this is the place like every year that has this kind of display. This family like spending this amount of money just to put this display every year. Lights, the Christmas decoration, like Santa's, everything you see here. Like every year they're improving also. So again, this is my second vlog in this place, and it's so nice, it's so amazing to come back and see the lights display. They're open for everybody actually, they're opening for public also. They used to be those days, the first time, not the first time, that the dust days a long time ago that they have some few accidents because what happened actually this is beside the highway, and then people is driving the car and looking, you know, somehow like
highway.
not focusing the driving. They just focusing this place because it's so amazing to see the display inside, the lights. They have music also. So everything you see here is it. Well, I tell you one thing: there's no drinks is allowed inside. So, and that's it for now. And I see you next time. And thank you so much. And please, again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG. We just came from the church actually because we have we call a tradition simbang gabi
We attend the mass.
with my wife. So we just like directly come this place and enjoy and see the scenery in this place. And I thank you and happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and I see you next year again. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas!